waking up in the morning to takbiratul Eid. I put on my finest shoes and my finest Eid outfit. Calling up my loved ones, wishing them Eid on Saeed. Jump in the car and head to the masjid to pray Salatul Eid. The day we've all been waiting for.